What's up, guys? Yeah, it was just raining. The rain calmed down a little bit, so I'm about to go back out there real fast and fly some more quads. Right now I'm gonna fly my Syma X5SW and my MDX X600. Haven't flew those in a while. I didn't really make any videos for those, so I guess I'll go out and fly these. Alright guys, I see you when I get there. What's up, y'all? This is Aces and Aces on the go. I'm about to fly my Syma real quick, the 5SW. Holla at your boy, I hope you enjoy this flick. It's kind of windy out here. It's been a little quick short flight. I hope you enjoy this. I haven't flown my Syma in a long time, so I'm just gonna enjoy this quick little flight. I'm not gonna go too far unless it'll be going around. Yeah, a quick flight. As it's up there and let it glide a little, as you can see. Let that little boy just swoom around. Haven't flown the Syma in a while. That's one of those quads that's very easy to fly. Look at that boy go. Whoa. Did you see that, people? I'm gonna do something I don't like doing. I'm gonna do a little quick flip. There you go. There you go, another one. There you go, that's a nice quick little swim around. Get close to me. Whoa. Look at that, look at that. You can see my nieces and nephews out here too. They're over here playing a little bit. Look at that. It's this Syma, y'all. Having a little fun with this Syma. You see my niece running. She's running in a circle. I guess she's running a race by herself. Okay, I'm about to bring it down. That's my Syma. Hope you like this quick little flight. There you go. Nice landing on the Syma X5SW. I hope y'all like the flight. Enjoy.